So in the previous class we have all seen that the carry out expression for the three variables are follows that for the first two states C out is given by 0, and for the next four states C out will be same as the C in, and for the next two states C out will be equal to 1 irrespective of the carry input. So we can sum of this following as if Gi represents the input carry generation of the last two states, then we can write that using the K map Gi is given by Ai Bi Cin bar plus ABC. Using these three variables, you can all see that Gi is equal to Ai Bi Cin bar, and we are doing the SOP, which is the sum of the product, and plus A, B and C. So taking Ai Bi common, in the bracket you are getting Cin bar plus Cin. Sorry, this will be Cin, and then as we all know that Cin plus Cin bar is equal to 1, using the Boolean theorem you can get that Gi equal to Ai Bi. Now for the intermediate four steps for which C out is given by Cin, we can sum it as follows, that Pi is the carry propagation for the carry input stage. It can be written as A bar Bi plus A bar A into Bi bar. So we have written this Ai bar into Bi plus Ai into Bi bar. Since this is the XOR expression, we are reproducing it as Ai XOR Bi. Now for the carry input of the ith stage, we can write it as follows, that Pi equal to Gi plus Pi, that is the carry propagation, and into Ci minus 1, as the carry input of the ith stage will be dependent on the carry input of the I minus 1 stage. Okay. Now using this expression, we are calculating the following carry. So for I equal to 0, you will get G0 plus P0 into C0 minus substitute in the first carry input, which is C in, which is taken to be 0. So we have written as G0 plus C0 into C1. For C1 we are getting G1 plus P1 into C0, and for C2 we are getting G2 plus P2 into C1, and substituting the value of C1 over here, we are calculating the value of C2, and so on. We will get the value of C3 as G3 plus P3 into C2 value, which is G2 plus P2 into G1 plus P2 into C1 into G0 plus P2 into P1 into P0 into Cn. Okay, and the sum expression can be calculated using the full adder table, which states that sum of the sum is given by the A XOR B XOR plus C input, and for the S0 state it will be A0 XOR B0 XOR Cin, and for S1 A1 XOR B1 XOR C0, for S2 it will be A2 XOR B2 XOR C1, and for S3 it will be A3 XOR B3 XOR C2.